Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. So, good friend of mine just bought this, well, a little while ago. So, figured, let's take it out and have some fun. 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Lusso. Muffler delete. Thing's got 70,000 miles on it because he's an idiot and bought an Alfa Romeo with 70,000 miles on it. No, I'm just kidding. It's pretty bulletproof is what he's been telling me. It's got some tint on it. What's up, Alex? You guys might remember him from the Civic. I got so much crap for hating on that car.
Dude, it was phenomenal.
Oh, it was.
I looked at the comments too in that video.
Don't make fun of our culture. I'm like, this is not culture, sir.
Well, she's gone now, unfortunately, but now I have a lowered Mustang.
Yeah, what's
next?
I think I did a video on it when you just bought it.
I believe so.
Where is the button for the thing? Is there no traction control button in this?
Cannot turn it off. It's all-wheel drive too.
Oh, so what's the worst that's gonna happen? That's not half bad.
Not launched this car yet. Wow. That kind of throws you in your seat a little bit.
Just a lot of it.
It actually doesn't sound too bad. It's definitely a little
coming from the Civic.
Yes. But at least this one's turboed.
Yes.
So it's got something cool to it.
Airflow.
Yes, airflow.
Off.
Fair warning, I do need to change the cabin filter, so the AC is a little smelly sometimes.
I shall be fine. What's the worst that can happen? That's my life motto, and it's probably not the best motto to have.
It shifts pretty quick too.
Oh, ZF8 speed.
It's so nice.
See, I love driving your cars because you actually let me drive them.
No, I don't care. Well, see, you don't care when you have Dad's credit card. If something breaks, you're covered.
Well, and for my Hellcat, I have warranty,
Oh,
which is the biggest Dad's credit card.
That's why I'm glad this does have a warranty.
I gave you crap. I'm like, yeah, he's an idiot that bought an Alfa Romeo with over 70,000 miles.
Actually, I bought it with 60. I've already put 10,000 on.
The thing with this car is the platform is so good. You know, yes, there's the Quadrifoglio. If you want to have it in the shop for more than actually driving it. But platform-wise, everything is low down for torque.
The only thing I do wish is that it was a sport because the seats are, I think, more heavily bolstered.
Yes.
When you take corners in this, they're so flat, you just slide right out. Which does suck, but besides that, car handles well, and it's fun.
And you can really throttle down at apex, and it, because of the turbo lag, by the time you're coming out of the corner, it comes on to boost. So I floor it the second I hit apex, and then it just takes it. I like this stupid little thing.
Best daily I've ever had.
Oh god, yeah.
It's so much fun. And 35 mpgs when driving nice.
Yeah, not when driving like this.
Actually like this, I'll still get 24.
Because at the end of the day, it's a, what is it, a 2-liter 4?
Yep, 2-liter 4-cylinder. And the turbo's super tiny, but the cool thing is they're right up top. So you ever want to switch it out or have to replace it or any honestly, these motors, from what I've seen, seem to be easy to work on. Like everything that is major that will break is right there.
Oh, that's easy enough.
The turbo's literally right up top, nothing protecting it. Nothing.
You know what I laugh about is the fact that this interior is less Chrysler parts bin than the Maserati Ghibli.
Yep. That was actually my second choice. They had one.
Yeah, you can get those for absolute stupid money now. Well, these are, what, 20s?
These, yeah, so I only paid 17 for mine.
Oh,
Only
come
because
on.
we knew the people, which we actually bought my dad's truck, my mom's car, my old Jeep, and my Focus from them. So they gave me a stupid deal on it. But these are going for low to mid 20s now, actually, with like 50K on them.
Which
good
is
shape,
insane.
which is nothing for these cars.
If you know, and you can get a Ghibli for similar money. And I mean, we had an SQ4 with almost 80,000 miles on it, and we sold it for 25.
Really?
Yeah, 17 as well, I believe. No, 15.
The trans is so smooth though. Shifting it
Oh, CF8 speed.
Love it.
And these paddles, unlike the Hellcat, which are just here, these are,
All I'm mounted.
and they're metal.
Yep. They feel so nice. I'm so glad they're not steering wheel mounted. You can throttle. Yep.
It'll rotate.
I actually had a choice. So they had a Ghibli and they had a rear-wheel drive version of this there, but it was red with black interior. And my mom convinced me to buy the all-wheel drive, which I'm kind of glad I did.
Yo, winter, this thing is going to be a tank.
Oh yeah. I just put brand new tires on it too. They're all seasons.
Yeah, and the thing is, I can still feel this is rear biased.
Yep.
It
Oh,
doesn't
yeah.
understeer.
Not at all.
I mean, I just drove the GR Corolla a little while ago, and I did something very similar, and the rear wouldn't step out. The rear steps out.
Yeah, I did feel that, which I've not actually felt that before. That was kind of surprising to me.
I mean, with all-wheel drive too, you want to stay in the power. You don't want to sit there and upset the car completely. I definitely think the muffler delete added something that I never reviewed one of these, but I've driven the Stelvio and this. Never driven a Quadrifoglio, which I've been dying to try.
You definitely need to. I've driven one there, a blast, but like you said before,
It's the
they're-
reliability.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're going to be in the shop more than you own it, or longer than you get to drive it.
So I'm like, yeah, no, I'm good on that.
I really wanted one too, but there's so much money still
Yeah.
for what they're actually, it's not a bad car, but they're just so unreliable.
But you take this platform, this is a perfect amount of power for this platform. It can handle it. It's not overpowered. Fun car. Thanks, Alex.
Absolutely.
It's always fun to go beat on someone else's car.
Not yours, you don't
Oh, exactly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If you've watched this video to this point, just say turtle in the comments because nobody actually watches this ending. And I will see you all in the next one. Where is the power off button? You're here.